What's up, guys? I'm back. So some of you guys may remember me. I'm the moron who blew out my last engine. Got it too wet, destroyed it. Either way, I did a lot of math, number crunching, market research. Seemed like a way better value for an extra couple $100 just to buy a new entire thing instead of replacing the engine and maybe shoddy work and long experience, all that, whatever. Anyway, so this thing is in great shape, but it's got this, it makes this noise, and it sounds like something's rattling around. I really don't know what it is. What do you all think this noise is? It sounds like it's coming from the exhaust, not the engine. Coming from in there somewhere, and then it just stops. Glad that happened, because it just stops all of a sudden randomly, and it starts randomly. What do you all think that could be?